What do you feel about social media? You had mentioned, there's a lot of voices out there. There's a lot of podcasts. There's just a lot more resources within just a few of the last few years. So what do you feel about social media outreach and how much of that do you do?
I think social media is very important. I think, when I was talking to my dad and my other partner as well, and we were talking about how early on we literally used to print out flyers and walk around and put them on people's cars and, put them in people's fences in the houses and things like that. And then, things
Right.
evolved, right? And social media,
Yeah.
whether you like it or you don't like it, it's a great tool. It's an amazing way to reach a lot of people in a very fast, cost-effective manner and being able to get the word out there. And you will be surprised, the impact that it can have. So I always use social media to do, if I'm advertising for a specific event, if I'm, just putting out, different pictures. I want to, my goal is to actually now offload the social media aspect to a company. This is how I like to do things. I like to be hands-on in the beginning to understand the inner workings, and then I like to offload that task to somebody else, whether it's an employee of mine that I'll say, look, you manage social media, or if I actually go to an agency and say, all right, you guys manage my social media. But the reason why I like to be involved at first is because I want to know, right? I don't want people to just tell me do this, and that. I want to ask the questions, but why? Why would I do this, and why would I do that? So that I feel like I'm more involved and not just blindly following somebody. But it's a great tool. It's something that's, again, extremely critical and something that's crucial to your business. If you're not on social media, you're going to get left behind. It's that simple.